Today, we are talking about how to start your own roofing business. Every year in the United States, the roofing industry generates over $46 billion in revenue. With 100,000 businesses in operation, it's an industry that's not only lucrative, but also steadily growing. Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Now, let's take the first step to get your roofing business set up. It starts by drafting a business plan. Detail your services, identify your target market, understand your competition, and plan your financials. It's important to clearly define your goals, and your business plan will act as a roadmap to success. The next step, funding your roofing business. The average startup cost for a roofing business can vary, but typically it can range between $10,000 to $25,000. That covers everything from tools, materials, insurance, and marketing. And remember, there are options to obtain funding, such as loans, savings, or investors. Then we move on to an often overlooked step, getting the necessary licenses and registrations. This is where our organization comes in, legal, registration.com. We can take care of all your business licensing and registration steps, ensuring you're legally covered. We can't stress enough how much easier it is to have a professional handle this. It's not just about filing forms, it's about peace of mind. Next, you'll need to gather your tools and materials. Research on what's best for your business needs and budget. From safety equipment to roofing shingles, make sure you're prepared to tackle any roofing job that comes your way. Another essential part is insurance. The roofing industry can be dangerous, and it's important to have coverage for both your employees and your business. Workers' compensation, liability insurance, and vehicle insurance are all necessary to operate safely and legally. Now, you're almost there. It's time to build your team. Hire experienced workers and provide training to new recruits. Remember, the quality of your work is often directly tied to the skill of your crew, so invest in them. Finally, market your roofing business. Develop a website, utilize social media, and consider traditional advertising like flyers or local newspaper ads. Word of mouth is powerful too, so do excellent work and let your happy customers do some of the advertising for you. Starting your own roofing business can be a lot of work, but with the right plan and resources, it's more than doable. It's a ticket to independence, financial stability, and the satisfaction of running your own show. If you need help getting your business off the ground, just visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps of starting a roofing business? Is there a specific one that seems complicated? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.